Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change the currency in PU Prime. So first of all, we go to accounts, and then right now you can find here my demo accounts or change it to live account. And we want to change USD to Canadian dollar or maybe euros. Now, if you click here on this wheel, it's not possible. And if you click here on this pen, it's also not possible. So you need to create a new account. So for that, we go to open account. Let's say demo account, MetaTrader 5, account type standard. Let's do it to euros, 101 leverage, and let's do a 5k account balance. Then right now we do some bits. I know, and there it is. This is an account now where we can trade with euros. So if you click now here on trade, he will send us to the MetaTrader 5 where we can trade with euros. Now fill in your login and your password from your email. Everything from that is standing in the email that we just received with creating this account. And then you can start trading with euros. So this is how you can change the currency. Hopefully this was a video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.